saw flying drones, which made math more fun.
So what we're doing, the first week we spent learning how to fly the drones. And in the second week we incorporated math problems. So they're working cooperatively to solve problems.
So we get to work on math, which I need help with a little bit, and we get to work in groups.
The drone zone consists of 4 kids that are working to practice their math skills and then also practicing and learning how to fly a drone.
Drones reinforce mathematics, coding, and help with measurement and area, things like that, all the different teaks.
They are showing a much greater ability to work as a group, to incorporate others, to make sure they bring others in, which is very, very valuable, as well as being able to talk out how to solve a problem. So it's working out very, very well.
So I used to I wasn't good at math, but math is my favorite subject. And then once this came, I'm learning more about equivalent fractions, and it's helping me work in groups and helping me build more in my mind and help me work with partners better.
It's really important that we integrate technology into lessons, and so we thought, why not use drones and put math together? And it makes for great lessons. The kids are motivated and engaged, and they learn.
Drone Zone meets 1 day a week on Thursday afternoons for about an hour. And it's something that's looked forward to all week long. It's a great addition.
I just want to truly thank NEEF for giving us this opportunity of such a great grant. It's very innovative. Campuses aren't able to purchase drones, or maybe don't spend their money on drones. It's more on academic things, but this is just another great tool that helps students learn, and it's motivational. And so thank you so much, because this wouldn't have happened without NEEF.